Hello everybody, I'm Hema Priya. Welcome to my podcast called NLP, stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. If this is the first time listening to my podcast, I request you to listen to the other series of NLP episodes too. In today's topic, the very exciting topic we're going to talk about is that how to deal with problems. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to talk about how to deal with problems. We all face problems every day, every single day. We have the problems till we gonna dead. Every time we face the problems, and that's cool. How you can deal with it, how you can see those problems as opportunities. Okay, I'm not going to give the motivation like see all the problems as opportunities. In place of hate, put the word called love. In place of weakness, put strength. So I'm not going to talk about all this motivational stuff. I just wanted to break the problem. Like how all the stages in your life that is lead to the problem. Okay, I'm going to dive deeper that how you would be getting a problem and how we are very unaware about these problems which is coming to us. Okay, when something extreme comes to us, we aware that okay, there is a problem is here, right? Until that extreme comes to us, we never know this is a problem, right? So everyone has this issue, everyone faces this problem, right? And to be very specific, I'm not going to talk about the physical problems which you might be thinking. I'm not a doctor to give any remedies here. I'm just gonna talk regarding the NLP, regarding your mental health, regarding how you can see the problems mentally how you can it's all about like neuro-linguistic, right? So neuro-linguistic programming is the episode which we are always going to talk about. So like how you can deal, okay, through mindset, right? So without talking anything, let's get into the topic. Problem. Okay, so at last I'm going to don't think it's a problem. I'm going to talk about something. Okay, in place of problem, we're going to put word called something. That's fine, right? Okay, something comes to us. Something comes to us. The first stage, when something comes to us and when something hits with us, the first stage is denial. What is denial? Let me talk about the problem which we have even right now we are facing. It's called Corona issue, right? COVID-19 is hitting all the countries. So first it comes to us, what we did, we deny it. We never wanted to know what is happening. Some other countries is getting corona, so why do we need to care? So denial. We don't need to learn about it. We don't need to do any research about it. So first thing is denial. Let's see the other side. Relationship problems. Okay, the first anything comes, not problem, something comes to the relationship and we deny it. We don't want to talk about it. So that is the first stage. That is the first step. After the stage, then comes the second stage called anger issues. Anger stage. Some country or your neighbor country is getting affected with COVID and there are a lot of people are quarantined. So we get anger. What is this, man? What is happening with these all countries? So anger. You don't know what it is. You didn't do any research, but you keep on complaining it. Angry, anxious about something, right? So that is the second step. Same as in the relationship, right? So you don't know what is happening between each other. We get anger, right? We get very anxious about the things which is happening. Same as with the relationship. So after dealing with anger, after dealing with the denial stage, then comes the bragging. This corona should not hit us. Why it is hitting us? This should not happen to us. Why it is doing like this? You cannot, you don't try to understand or you don't try to research about it, but you keep on bragging about the thing which is happening, right? So that is what the third step is all about. You're bragging about something. The same happens in the relationship. You're bragging about something which is happening, right? So I don't know what issue my boyfriend is facing. I don't know what issue my girlfriend is facing. But there is something happening between us. So keep on bragging it, keep on complaining it, keep on talking about it. You don't know what it is. So that is what the third stage. After dealing with all these three stages, then we come to the conclusion. It's like conclusion. What is that? Depression. Because you find there is something lack over there. You find there is lack of hope, lack of wishes, everything is lack. When COVID comes and hits to all the countries, lack of everything, right? We lost unemployment, we are very anxious about it, we lost many lives are in quarantine, they don't have any decisions what they want to do with their life, like no path, no directions, right? We don't know what we need to do. So that is the stage we are bounded into, the depression stage. Depression, right? We don't have any clue that what you want to do with the life, because every day we used to go for the work, take our cars, take our bikes, we go for the work, and we're dealing with socially, we are in the society, but the society, everything is under locked, right? So when everything is locked, what are you going to do it? So there comes the depression. There you think you don't have any interest to watch in any internet, you don't have interest to talk with your family, nothing. You keep on thinking, you are in a mode of a depression. There comes the depression. When talking about the relationship, there also, they don't know what is the issue happening between both of them. They don't know whose mistake is that. They don't know how they need to blame it, but they are missing each other. They're trying to find out what the mistake is all about. So at last, they don't have any interest. Same just like COVID. They don't have any interest to think about the things which is happening. So they are under depression. Yes. And this fourth stage is very critical. Depression, there are a lot of people who would be in the same stage, depression, that they will be into the stage. It means it's like low, medium and high, right? So a lot of the people would be low in the depression. They'll get back very soon. But some people are really wanting to know what is happening, everything. So that would be medium. And high extreme of depression, which means they don't want to come out of that whole something which is called problem. They don't want to come out of it. So that is what you can categorize that depression into 3 stages. After the fourth stage, here comes the actual thing, which is called the acceptance. Yes, you heard it right. Acceptance. What? Is it COVID-19 is hitting to all the countries? Everyone is facing the same problem? Accept it. First thing, we have to accept of something. Accept it. Yeah, Corona is there. So what is the next possible way? So I cannot go and have social meetings and social gatherings, anything. So I need to work from home. Fine. I'll work from home. So what I need to do? You cannot buy vegetables outside. You cannot do that. Okay, fine. I'll take care. I'll accept the fact, because everyone is facing this issue. If we don't go out, right? We are not spreading that virus. So it is very cool. It is good. Okay, let's stay inside the home. Let's work from home. We are looking for some alternative things. We are accepting the fact, and we're looking out how the future would be there, right? You have a vision. Now you got the awareness. Once you accept the truth, once you accept the fact, you get an awareness that what you have to do in the future. That is what the most important thing is, that taking the ownership, accepting it. Okay, let me relate this with the rain. Okay, we know the rain is going to come within maybe afternoon. Morning, right now it's morning. So afternoon rain is going to come, because you could see the clouds. So what do? You want to go out. So what do? Yeah, you will have an umbrella with you, because you're proactive, right? You know the rain is going to come. So you want to be active, proactive, and you want to protect yourself, right? So because you cannot stop the rain, right? You're not a god to stop the rain, because you know it's going to come, and you have to taking that precaution. The same thing, this coronavirus is going to spread it. So what you need to do is take a precaution. You should not go out. Okay, let's do what we can do inside our home. Let's do work from home. So taking the precautions, that's it. That's as simple it is. Accept it, man. Rain is going to come. Accept it. You cannot cry, oh, I don't want rain now because I wanted to go out, I want to do party, I don't want rain. You cannot blame that, right? It is the nature. The same thing, if something happened to you, accept it. But after going out through all these 4 possible steps, then comes the stage of acceptance. Accept it. That is the most important thing. And when I talk about the relationship, the same thing comes here also. accept it. People lots of in relationship, they used to change the person. I wanted to change this person because this person is so alcoholic, so I need to change this person. Okay, once I be in this relationship, once I get close with him, once I love him like anything, once I care him like anything, he's gonna change, right? So by hoping or by wishing, you go and have a relationship with them, but after a few months you will come to know that he is not changing. He's not changing. He's just pretending like changing, but he's not changing, or she is not changing, right? So the thing is, in relationship, if you accept the fact, okay, my boyfriend or my girlfriend is in this toxic habits or in this toxic environment, so let's be with them. Let's give as much as love we can. Let's take some time. Time is most important thing. Let's give some time for some days. Even Corona needs time, right? Just for 1 month or 2 months, you cannot provide a vaccine. You cannot provide a vaccine within 1 or 2 months, because you need to research it. You need to find out what kind of virus. You have to do many things. I'm talking about these practical things, in the laboratory things. I don't know. So you need to do lots of things to find a vaccine. The same thing happens in the relationship here, right? You cannot just change a person just like that. You'll think, you'll have wish. Even I too have wish, lot of wish, but it cannot, see, in practical world, it cannot happen just like that, right? So you need to take time. So give some time for the guy, or give some time for the girl. Stay with them, love them, care them, what it is. Try to find out what's the problem they're dealing with. Yeah, so that's the most important thing. So the main point I'm going to talk about is that accepting what is happening. Accept it, right? Accept and see the problem and see the something, okay? We're talking about something. So when you accept it, the first possible step is that you take ownership, right? You're owning it. So if you take the ownership, you would never complain. You would never give excuses, because everything depends on you. It's all starts with you. You are responsible for everything. That is the greatest mindset. I'm telling you, that is the greatest mindset. That is really the greatest mindset. For any problem, for any something, if you take the ownership, if you take the responsibility, my God, that is something great which you can do in the life. Right? So that is what the I'm talking here all about, is shifting the mindset. Don't be in the era of bragging. Don't be in the era of depression. Don't be in the era of anger. Don't be in the era of denial stage. Shift your mindset. What is happening? Be aware. Be aware. That's the one word I can give it. Awareness. Self-awareness is the one key thing in humans' life. Everyone needs to have the self-awareness. Be aware what is happening. Right? So don't see as a problem. I'm talking now. So it's not that you have to see problem as an opportunity. No. Deal with it. Deal with all the stage and know where you stand. Accept the fact. Look out. Take ownership. And that's how you can win the game. And that's how we can win even the coronavirus, right? So now everything is settling down, almost okay now. We are in the okay stage right now, right? But still we need to take lots of precautions. Be very safe. If you are outside, if you are moving out, please be very safe, because I don't know that this virus has been stopped. I never believe it, but still we have to be in our precautions. So at last, the point I want to end this episode, the point is that you need to accept the fact which is happening. Okay, I usually talk about this internal things. Okay, we have only 90% internal. Everything happens by knowing with us, right? So every problems or everything created, it's also our responsibility, or it is in our hand. All internal things are in our hand. The only 10%, which is like coronavirus, right? The external thing, that is external. We cannot do anything. Now it is raining. We cannot do anything. It's all external. It is out of your control. I'm not talking about these things, but I'm talking about the 90% which you can take ownership, which you can take responsibility, which you can deal with it. Only about 90%. Okay, I'm talking about 90%. So what I meant to say here is that right? So have a shift in your mind. See the things very clearly. Have self-awareness and deal with it. Don't think anything as a problem. But don't be in every stages. Don't be in the denial stage for so long. Don't be in anger stage for so long. at the same time, don't be very dumb in the stage of depression, because you need to accept the fact, and that acceptance will take so long. For some people it takes days to get accept, and they'll go and talk to the persons. Sometimes it takes years, sometimes it takes months. It depends on the person, how they can accept and how they can see the world. All right, so have a clear vision, have a clear awareness about everything, and see everything from your mind and from your heart. All right, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity to talk about this coronavirus and all. It's really a pleasure to talk about all these things, and yeah, I'll come up with a new episode. Until then, don't see anything as a problem, right? Accept is the only one word, and be self-aware what you're doing it. Thank you so much for listening. I'll come up with a new episode. Take care. Bye bye.